Hi, welcome to the Listen channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise. And it's also known as clutch lever. Okay, you can see the dimension part here. And then, let's make a modeling part now. Well, from the Solidworks interface, we can start from front plane. And then click sketch. For the next step, let's click for this circle, start from this origin point. So let's make a plan right to make it clear. Let's define for its diameter value 1.13 millimeter. For the next step, let's click for this line and make it for construction. Start from this origin point, make it just it for vertical, and then you can click a smart dimension, set for this distance to 1.26 millimeter, and then apply. Let's make a 4 horizontal line from the left sides. Let's click a smart dimension and we can define for 2.12 millimeter, and then next click for this line, connect from the previous one, and then you can make it for right click, then click select. Let's define for this length too, and it is 1.06 millimeter. And then for this one, let's set for, from this point to this point, let's define for 4.26 millimeter, and then click the shine. Let's make for vertical line, click smart dimension, set for let's delete first one. Let's just for define is offset for this circle, and then right click, then click select. Next step, let's define for this sides, make it for vertical, just click for this one, let's make for a full even form this sketch, click a smart dimension for the first one, zero point eight millimeter, then from this one, skip from this point to this point, and it is 0.76 millimeter, and then from this point to this line, give for 1.06 millimeter. For the next step, let's define for from this line to this line, there is for 60 degree for its angle. Wow. Okay, let's define for press to this line and click to this line too, so make it for collinear, apply, and then let's click a smart dimension. Let's define for this distance or its height for 2.26 millimeter. Next, click to this point and then go to this line, make it for 1.94 millimeter. For the next step, let's click for this fly. There's for to define click to this line and make for construction. Start from this point. Just make it for horizontal, and then I want to cut for this body, and then you can click for midpoint line. Let's start from this one. Let's define for its dimension 2, and it is for this curve you can find, and it is, let's see, for 0.12 millimeter, and then click to this line, connect to the circle, right click, then click select, and make it for mirror entities. And this to mirror, just click for this line, mirror about, you can click for this guideline and then apply. Let's delete for this unnecessary line by click trim entities and then make sure trim to close is selected, then you can click for this line. Okay, next I want to define for, there is for circle, and we will look at for this area. For that, let's click for this line and connect to this line, right click, then click select. Wow, let's see for this one, and then I want to make for circle. Click on smart dimension, set for its diameter to 0.38 millimeter, and let's define for its locates, and there is distance for 0.5 millimeter. And then you can define for this one too. 0.44 millimeter. For the next step, let's define for this angle. You can see from its detailed technical drawing from the previous that I given, and it is for 34 degree. Okay. And then let's make for its thickness by click a feeder and then click extrude loss. Let's zoom in. For the first one, let's click for this thickness and it is 4. Zero 0.56 for on this dialog box and then click apply. Click this and to expand for the sketch, click extrude loss. Then you can click for this sketch and make sure its thickness to 1.44 millimeter and apply. For the next step, let's define for holes from this one and from the surface. Let's define for the first one, and I want to define for this sketch. Look the information for the technical drawing. There is information that's for shiver from bottom, and we will cut for this body from the bottom. Okay, click the surface. Let's make for normal tool and then click more and click sketch. Let's define for zero 0.44 fly and then click a smart dimension and set for this Ctrl X to make it a normal zoom and set for this point, and it is 0.94 millimeter. And then click for feeders and then extrude cuts. From this direction one, you can select option rogue all. For the next step, click to this surface, make the normal tool. Then let's make for the bigger one. Click a circle. From the center, you can click for point 62 millimeter and then click on feeder, then extrude cut. Let's define for its depth to 0.5 millimeter. Well, there is a modeling left for this surface. Let's click for this surface and then click a normal. Click more and then click sketch. Click a circle and then define for this diameter value 4, and it is 0.38 millimeter. And then let's set for its locate from these sides, and it is 0.44. And then from this one, this thickness to this circle is same for the center, and it is 1.26 millimeter. Feeder and then extrude cut for each body. You can select for up to next. Ctrl 7 to make it a symmetric view. Okay. Finally, the part is done from this cut lever. Make sure from this. I just want to share about this one. Let's see. There is for 0.30x. Okay. So these two holes is same for its diameter. Their diameter. Sorry. For the next step, this is for optional, and I want to change for its color. For the example, and I want to change for its make for look. Aluminum, and I want to make it for satin, but for its color I want to search for this one and apply, and then change for the surface color. Press and hold the control button. Let's click for this variance, and then just click OK. Well, the part is done. I hope you can follow my tutorial step by step. I hope this channel will help you to make this modeling. And if this tutorial useful, you can support this channel by hit the like or subscribe button, and see you on my next video.